Let's make garden vegetable soup. I started with some Swiss chard that I harvested from the garden, then also some heirloom carrots that I harvested from the garden, and then we got some garden tomatoes as well, and then I diced up some potatoes. We got some frozen corn, we got some frozen okra, we got a little bell pepper, orange, yellow, and green bell pepper, y'all. And then also I got some celery, some garlic, and some onion. And then I put a can of white cannelli beans in there. And then we diced up a little chicken thigh and a little andouille sausage to bring together this great garden vegetable soup. And then also some fresh herbs, like I got some basil in there, and then some oregano, like some Italian seasoning. To give it some good flavor. And then you can add your hot sauce and whatever else you like to spice your soup up. I didn't add any hot sauce in this because the andouille sauce is just gonna give it a great spice and great flavor. I hope y'all try the recipe out. My garden really thrived this year and I had a great harvest, so I figure I put together a great garden vegetable soup here. I'll put the recipe in the comments, in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.